can't log into your TikTok account? Is your TikTok account only showing the account login error solved and showing you select two objects that is the same shape problem on TikTok? If you have these issues, follow only 2 quick tricks to solve your problem. So let's get started. Trick 1. Tap and hold the app. Tap App Info. Scroll down. Tap Clear Data. Tap Clear All Data. Quickly after that, restart your phone. Now before following the final process, make sure that your internet is stable. You can check that by opening the YouTube app, and also make sure that your TikTok password and username are 100% correct. Wrong passwords or their username can cause the issues. Now after checking all the things, now try to log into your account. Now if it gives select two objects that is the same shape problem on TikTok, select two objects that is the same shape problem. Now you have to watch the video carefully and tap on the two objects with the same shape. Once they correctly identify the two objects and shapes, it will work. Now, if you guys have any more questions about this topic, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.